For a long time, Sonos could only transmit music to their speakers through a patented application, but that has changed in recent years. After working with music services such as Spotify and Pandora, users can stay in those applications and stream music directly to their Sonos configuration. That has not been the case if you are an Apple Music user, until now. As of today, Sonos supports Apple's AirPlay 2 protocol. After spending about a week testing a beta version of the software, I can say that virtually all Sonos owners who use iOS devices will get a lot from this update. If you are using an iPhone or iPad, you can now go to Apple Music, start playing an album or playlist, touch the AirPlay button and choose which speakers you want to transmit your music to. From the AirPlay interface, you can see any compatible Sonos speaker, as well as any other speaker in your configuration that is compatible with AirPlay 2, such as Apple's HomePod, for example. You can record music on the speakers you want. You can also adjust the volume for each individual speaker and for the group. This means that you can have a multi-room audio configuration with a combination of speakers, not just Sonos.